Hi guys, today we're opening the Numberblocks Mathlink Cube set 31 to 40. I'm really excited to do this, but before we open it, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and it's free. We've hit 13,000 subscribers. Let's get to 14,000. Anyway, let's do this. And let's open it. Oh my gosh. Alright, what do we have here? We have the stickers. We have our activity guide. Looks like we have our activities here, and we have all the wonderful Mathlink cubes, and I'm guessing this is the box where all the numberlings and other stuff are kept. But oh my gosh, look at this. I'm so excited to get building. Okay, let's start off by building 31. 31 is the calendar number block. He has not appeared much in the show, so hopefully in Numberblocks Series 9, when it releases, we can get to see more of him. And now 31's face is done. Let's get the box of accessories. Got his faceplate and the sticker, so we just put it on carefully. There we go. And we add it to his body. We're not done with 31 yet because we still have the calendar binder thingy. Let's put it on. There we go. We grab the numberling and put it on top. Look at that. And so that he can stand easier, we also get a clear stand just for him not to be so wonky donkey. Look at that. Nice. Here we have 32, and this is our first number block where we use these dual connectors, which are Mathlink cubes but with two connectors on them. Number block 32 is a super doubler, which means she can split and keep halving and keep doubling. Here is 32's body. Let's finally add her numberling and add her face to the faceplate. There we go. And just attach it now to make 32. There we go. Next up is 33, who is a new number block that will feature in Numberblocks Series 9. 33 can make 3 11s, so 3 football teams, and she plays on a triangle pitch. There is 33's body done. Let's add the numberling to the top. There we go. And let's put the face on the faceplate. I've never been good with stickers. There we go. 33. We nearly forgot her triangle football badge, so let us put it on her, and there we go. 33 has been complete. Next up is our pal 34, and in Numberblocks Series 9, he is going to teach about symmetry. 34 is a symmetry guy, and he can split into double 17s, which means double the painting fun. .34's body has been completed. Let's give him his painter hat with his numberling. Add his face onto the faceplate. There we go. And now let's add it to his body. There we go. And let's add 2 more paint splatters. Right next to his face on the right side and the left side. There we go. That's 34. Next up is our pal 35, who is part of the Rainbow Flower Sunshine Band, or in fact makes the Rainbow Flower Sunshine Band, as he is 5 lots of 7 and 7 lots of 5. Here we add our 5 blocks. The body is now done at 35, so we can add the numberling. We have his face, so let's just add it to his blocks there. There we go, but we're not done. on his blocks, he has 5 rainbow flowers. That's 1. That's 2. There's 3. That's 4. And that makes 5. Oh my gosh, let's go. Next up is 36, and he is quite the trickster. In the episode Steps vs Squares, 36 confuses the Numberblocks because he is a square and a step squad. So let's just make these Numberblocks. And that is 36's step-shaped body. Let's put on his face. He has a step-shaped mask. And then we have his numberling, 36. Our next number block is 37. Let's build him. 37 uses her hat called Hattie to teach about number bonds. And Hattie seems very familiar to a hat I know from a very certain video game. That's 37's body. Here is her face, which looks very similar to 30, I must say. And then here is Hattie with the numberling. I like how you can just spin the propeller. Anyway, that's 37. Next we have 38, who Numberblocks described as absent-minded. 38 knows that he can split into 2 number blocks, but he can't remember which 2. There we have 38's body. Here is his face. And here is his numberling. There we go, 38. Next and final for the 30s, we have 39, whose nose is hated or loved by a lot of people. He is a member of the circus, so he probably works with 3 and 30, and he likes to move around his 9 blocks. There is 39's body. There we add 39 with his nose. And then we add his numberling. And that is 39 complete. Now 40 is the final and biggest number of this Mathlink Cube set. He, just like 4 likes squares, 40 loves rectangles, and he has a pet called Oblongy, just like 4 with his pet Squarey. There is 40's body, and now let us add his face. And to finish off the building part of the video, we have his numberling. That's 40 done. Now in this section of the video, we're going to look at the character cards. First we have 31, so we have his face here, and we have Odd Block Club. And the number line down there, turn it around, we have 30 plus 1 equals 31, and then 31, and that's just showing his number bonds. Anyway, next up is 32, and she's part of the Square the Holding Club. 30 plus 2 equals 32, and that shows all the different rectangles she can make, which look pretty cool. Next up is our Series 9 character 33, who can be shown kicking a football and with the triangle football badge. And in the League of 11's club, 30 plus 3 is 33, 11 plus 22 equals 33. 34 is in the Even Tops club, and 30 plus 4 equals 34, and she can be shown with the 4 enders, which is possibly a new club. In 35, we have the Rainbow Sevens, and if we turn it around, 30 plus 5 is 35, and we have the scene from All-Star Lineup with the Rainbow Fives singing Rainbow Flower Sunshine. Next is 36, who is the trickster. 30 plus 6 equals 36, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is 36, 9 4s is 36, and 4 9s is 36. Now here's 37, who's in Prime Club, and we can see 30 plus 7 equals 37, and she is sort of like a crazy shape maker. She can make lots of shapes. We have 38 in the Maid of Wands club, and 30 plus 8 equals 38. And we can see that he is double 19. We have 39 here with the nose, and he is part of the Falling Apart club. 30 plus 9 equals 39. And then we have the 9 ends as 9, 19, 29, and 39. And they could have also added 49 because she's figured out. And here we have 40 in the Super Duper Rectangle club. 30 plus 10 equals 40. And this is 40's beach hut, and there's the quadruple 10. Then we have the activity guide, which features lots of information about the new number blocks. So if you want me to make a video just reading the entirety of this, I am willing to do that. But I'm just going to say we have a new club, the Thrilling 30s. The Thrilling 30s club. Every block from 30 to 39 is part of this club. They are all 30 or more, but less than 40. And at the back we have the 1 to 10 set, the 11 to 20 set, 21 to 30, and the Heroes of Zeros. New character content coming soon. Exciting! We also have activity cards, so we have 31 with the prime positions, and if we turn this over, we have the doubles, so 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Here we have 33's triangle football pitch, and if we turn it over, we also have 34 with double 17. We have 35 here with 7 by 5. This scene is from the episode Puzzle Square, where you basically try and figure out where the sixes go. For 37, we have her hat, Hattie, and just basically 2 numbers here, so you can see the number bonds of 37. And if we turn over, we have 38, and you can just layer here. This is 40 blocks, but you'll notice that there are 2 here that won't be filled in. We have 39 with a 9 on this side instead of up there, and if we turn it over, we have 40 with 10 lots of 4. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. Make sure you like and subscribe. And this is Numberblock Fun once again signing off. 39!